With all our materials prepped for the second wall, I start the process by marking out the top and bottom plates. With my tape measure clamped in place so it won't move out of alignment, I can start the process of marking the top and bottom plates both at once. I'm using a standard stud layout of 600mm on center. I then align all the wall studs to the marks we drew on the bottom plates earlier and prepare for screwing the whole wall together. I start by fixing the corners together. The third wall is about 250mm higher than the other walls, so we have to move our temporary rain shelter out of the way to raise it. We constructed the shelter on timber tracks, so by using small pieces of pipe, we can roll it into its new position. After making a few adjustments to the temporary shelter to make sure it's out of the way of our wall, we raise it in place. I then lock it into position with some 2x4s as braces.
You come and go like a monsoon.